Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're doing well. I hope everyone is safe. Make sure you're washing your hands, guys. Wearing your mask if you have to go out. I know myself, I have allergies, so when I go out, I put on my mask and gloves. Okay, so just be safe. Okay, if you're in a state where it's mandated you stay in, stay in. If you don't have to go out, do that. Okay, now before we get started, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. Okay, I'm back. I'm super excited about March. March was a very prosperous month for me, and I'm sure many others. It was very, very busy. Not to mention the program that I'm going to speak about right now, Impact Mailing Club. Okay, it was on fire. Okay, for what was it called? March Madness. It was on fire. Okay, they literally had the promotion going pretty much all month. They extended it, what, 3 times? So you had an opportunity to get in for March and take advantage of the promotion. Now, what we're going to talk about today with Impact Mailing Club is I do get some people that actually want to promote this online. So that's what we're going to talk about. Okay, so actually you're going to be able to receive payments electronically pretty much, but I want to show you 2 systems that I use. If you want to do this and promote this online, again, it's not required, only if you want to promote this online, and you can receive your payments electronically. Okay, so let me show you. I got some notes here so that it keeps me on track, okay, and I don't miss anything. Let's see, check it out. Okay, so let's see here. Now, you can get started with me at www.mailorderfreedomclub.com. Okay, so go there, get started. Now, there's 2 systems that I use, the Conversion Pros, okay, and another system. I'll put both of the links below. But both of the systems, okay, have capture pages and an autoresponder. Now, with the Conversion Pros, I give you, what I will do is give you my share code, because I already created a funnel for this, okay. You get a 2-week trial with the Conversion Pros because it is a monthly fee. It's $50 a month for this system, but you're able to make $25 for everybody you refer to the Conversion Pros. So just imagine signing up everybody on your team and they want this system. You're going to make $25, okay? And they pay every Friday direct deposit. So you can actually check this system out for yourself just to see how the Conversion Pros works. I'm going to put a link below for a 14-day trial, okay? Then I have another system that's $19.95 a month, and it's $10 one time to set it up. You refer 3 people and they pay every month, okay, as long as they keep their membership. If you have 3 people that remain active, you get yours free for the month, okay. Now, some of the differences is Conversion Pros gives you more flexibility, okay. I basically can make any pages that I want. You can be more creative with that one, okay, and it has a plethora of training that goes with it. Now, let's talk about how you can do this how you can get paid electronically. These are some of the ways you can do that. You can receive your payments via Cash App, guys. There's fees with Cash App, but you can accept Cash App payments, Venmo, Zelle, or Google Pay. Those are the ones that I recommend. Now, I had a person that joined last night, okay, because the promo ends today, by the way. The Impact Mailing Impact Mailing Club has this promo that's been going on all month, but it actually ends today. Now, I had a person, and I hope this inspires some people, that signed up last night. He was super excited about doing it. Now, should inspire you guys. This person is out of California, okay? We all know, I think California was the first state to shut down. His state is shut down, but that did not stop him from wanting to take advantage of this promotion and get started. Okay. Matter of fact, when we were talking, the first thing he said is, what about Walmart? Do you have a Walmart where you live? I said, of course. I said, but are you going to be able to get to Walmart? He said, yeah, that's an essential place that you can go because they sell groceries. So he could go there. It would be okay for him to go there. I said, not a problem. So he went to Walmart. Stay with me. He went to Walmart. He presented his license, but he had, because it expired, so he had this paperwork that you have to have with it just to show proof that, hey, the new license is coming. And this is proof that he has a license. Walmart would not accept it, guys. Okay? So he called me, and he's not good on the smartphone. He's not a techie guy. And he's an older gentleman as well. Okay? But he is definitely an entrepreneur. He's just not good on the cell phone. So he contacted me. He said, well, how else can I send you this money? So I explained about the apps, and he was like, oh, you know, he kind of dreaded that. But he said, you know what? I want to do this. So I walked him through Venmo. Okay? So he said, what about this? If I could just use one app, send you all the money, and you just disperse it. I said, not a problem, because I stay in contact with my sponsor. So I make sure I have her information so that I can make sure people, if they want to do electronic payments, we have that information. So I had that information. He said, I'm going to do a Venmo. So I walked him through it. He sat in his vehicle. We did all this on the phone, literally. He used his phone and I used my phone. That's how we did the transaction. Okay. I walked him through Venmo. He sent me the one payment and I dispersed it between myself and the company and my sponsor. Now, one may say, well, what about the stamps? Well, what we end up doing is it's $11 per book of stamps. Okay. So he just paid me the value of that. That's not a problem. I'm open to that. So on top of the payment, he sent an extra, because it's 2 books of stamps that he needed to send me, so that's $22. So he just added the 22 onto my commission, sent it, you know, and that's how it would work. And then we did the same for my sponsor, and we did all that in less than 30 minutes. Now, what I am excited to explain to you, or to share with you rather, is I contacted Impact Mailing. Their support is 5 stars out of 5. Okay, and I'm going to show you proof of that, where he made the payment to me, the time he made the payment from then to the time I sent the email to them to confirm him, to them responding back to me in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to show you that. So before we do that, let me show you these 2 systems. So this is the sales page. If you're interested, we're going to go back to that payment in a minute. This is the sales page. If you want to do online, this is the one that's $19.95 a month. As you can see, there's 2 videos in here. And then when you click start, it takes you right to my sales letter. It has my picture at the bottom and my information. And from this page, you can click get a site like this and you can sign up. Just make sure you give them my information as your referrer. Okay? So let me show you what the capture page looks like. Okay? This is the capture page that you have. Okay? Now let me show you the one for Conversion Pros that's $50 a month that we created. Hang on a second. Now we have 2 pages you can select from with this one. This page, let me show you the other one, and this page. Okay, and then let me show you what the sales page would look like. Okay, now here's the sales page. We have a video there, and it has my domain in the back, so people can't copy it. You'll have the same. Okay, domain is in the background. Okay, so you got 2 videos, and you got all these proof payment pictures. Okay, and that's why I say you have more creativity with this one, because I linked my video in here for proof. Okay, and then I also threw my picture in there and phone number. Okay, so that's the Conversion Pros. Now, and you would just link your letter in there as well. Okay, so let me show you that. Hang on a second. When we click this button here, join, See how the letter just comes up? That's my letter. Okay, and you'll be able to do the same. But let me show you this payment proof real quick so you can see how fast Impact Mailing Club support is and how great the service is. But you can do all this online. No one ever mailed in anything. It was all done from a smartphone. Okay? Okay, I'm just going to cover this up so I don't display anybody's information. But as you can see, it was the 26th at 7:57 p.m. He sent the $2. He kind of didn't really know what he was doing at that point. But he sent $2 and then he sent the other. And I'm going to show you that. Okay? And take a look here. Here's the $2.92. Okay? So that was $2.94 that was sent. So let's say at 8:06 he sent that to me. Okay? By this time, once I received that, I composed an email, okay, to the company with his information on it, stating that I received his payment, and I provided his address because remember he's not mailing in the order form, so I provided the address he wanted on his order form. I text my sponsor to let her know to check her Zelle account for the payment and to please go ahead and send an email to the company to confirm him. Okay, so let's check out this email to show you how fast Impact Mailing Club got back in contact with me. Okay, without revealing this person's information, if you look right here at 8:40, okay, at 8:40 I sent an email to the company. You'll see down here my notes where I'm saying please mark him as paid. Here's the receipt. The payment will indicate it's from me because remember he sent me all the money and I actually dispersed the money out. So 8:40 I sent the company that to say confirm him. Okay, let me show you how fast they got back with me. Check this out. 5 minutes later, 8:40 I sent the company an email, remember? At 8:45 they responded back. Hi, great, thanks so much and welcome. I will send out your welcome email tomorrow in 5 minutes. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen every time, but what I am saying is the service is superb. And I always get a response from them, normally 24 to 48 hours, which is reasonable because this company is very, very busy. Because we're signing up people, okay, a lot of people. So I commend them on their superb customer service. And that's the type of company you want to be involved with and partner with. With that being said, this is how you can sign people up that you come in contact with if you're promoting this online. And they want to do it electronically. That's how you would do it. You would use one of those apps, but you've got to communicate with your sponsor, guys, because you need to find out from your sponsor how do they accept their payment. So if you're not in communication with them or know how to reach them, that's not going to work, because how are you going to get the money to them? Even if it was all sent to you, you've got to disperse it out correctly and properly. Okay, so that's how that was done, all by using a smartphone. Okay, so you can literally do that. So you can promote this thing online with one of the systems I just showed you, and you can accept your payments electronically if you choose to do that. This is just for online people. It's not required. Okay, now let me show you this real quick. Like to get your sales letter in 2 pages? Check this out. Isn't this nice? Let me know. For all my people that's signing up going forward, this is what I'm going to do for you going forward. Okay, not now, going forward. But if you're interested in getting it done, I can refer you to my person that does this for me. But I'm going to pay for that for everybody going forward. Okay, 1 letter. What'll be front and back on a PDF, and you have this cover letter. Okay, so with that being said, guys, if you're interested in making money from home, something simple, something easy, just mailing out flyers like this, reach out to me. I look forward to working with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. You guys stay safe out there. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.